Welcome to JH. Today, I will guide you through the process of testing your microphone on Microsoft Teams. This is an essential step whether you are getting ready for a big meeting, a job interview, or a quick team check-in. Ensuring your audio works correctly helps you communicate effectively and ensures your voice is heard clearly without any technical problems. First, navigate to the Microsoft Teams website and click the Sign In button. Enter your account credentials to log in. If you have forgotten your password, don't worry, as Teams provides easy password recovery options to help you regain access. Once you have logged in, your next step is to locate the calendar icon on the side menu. This section is where you manage all your meetings and appointments, making it easy to stay organized. Click on the calendar and find the specific meeting you are preparing for. Selecting the meeting will open the details and provide you with a few choices. Look for the Join button and click it. We aren't going to enter the meeting quite yet, as we still need to perform the microphone test to ensure everything is ready. After you click Join, you will see a small gear icon on the screen. Click this gear to open the Settings menu, which contains various adjustments to optimize your team's experience. Within this menu, find the Audio Settings section. This part is critical because it allows you to select and modify your audio input devices. You will see a list of microphones, including your built-in laptop mic or any external devices you have plugged in. Choose your preferred microphone from the list. To test it, speak into the mic and look for the moving bar that reacts to your voice. If you see this visual feedback, your microphone is working correctly. Taking a moment to test your audio can make a huge difference in your meetings. Enjoy your session, and I will see you in the next video.